We would define the key research area of the School of Computer Technologies and Control as embedded intelligence. By that, we mean the development of artificial intelligence for the real, not the virtual world. That includes such modern technologies as autonomous cars, smart homes, smart factories, the Internet of Things, and industrial, service, medical, and domestic robots. These systems have been partly integrated into our lives. Based on the rapidly developing trends, we can assume that in the nearest future, the use of these technologies will be more widespread, and robots will become smarter and more complex. Consequently, more highly qualified professionals will be in demand. The incorporation of embedded intelligence can help humankind solve many socio-economic issues. For example, people will no longer need to risk their health and lives with hard work, and instead will be able to focus more on the activities that develop both them and the world around them. If you feel that you want to contribute to improving the world, then this school will be perfect for you. Our graduates have been working on the implementation of these kinds of systems that have already entered our daily lives, like for instance robotic-assisted systems, exoskeletons, complex computational platforms, retention and transmission of data, decision-making systems, like power grids, traffic flows, embedded data protection, and many others. Our school has 4 areas of study and research, represented by 4 faculties. At the Faculty of Control Systems and Robotics, we train specialists in the field of intelligent control systems, mechatronics, digital production, technologies, robotics, new materials, and design methods. Students from the faculty develop projects on such subjects as algorithms for vision systems and automation of various processes, robot-to-robot interaction, coding of smart objects such as smart homes, platforms and algorithms of Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles and drones, human-robot interaction, human augmentation, and intelligent robotics. Programming languages, software platform development, and augmented reality and virtual reality technologies are studied at the Faculty of Software Engineering and Computer Systems. The faculty's main goals are research and the formation of professional competencies among future specialists in the field of research and development, and application of system platforms, including advanced platforms for cyber-physical systems. Among them are computing and communication platforms, software engineering, platforms and technologies, interface technologies, performance of human-robot interaction. Despite a wide range of well-established technologies, the number of new computational and communicational platforms is rapidly increasing. They are used to develop cyber-physical systems, solve challenges related to the application of artificial intelligence, and design new programming models and software engineering methods tailored for usage with Internet of Things, virtual reality, augmented reality, cognitive technologies, digital art, and digital humanities projects. The Faculty of Security Information Technologies trains specialists in the field of information security and data protection. During their studies, students acquire fundamental knowledge and master hard skills in the field of security systems and complex cyber-physical systems, authentication protocols, secure data processing, and transmission for distributed data storage and data processing. The Infochemistry Scientific Center has recently become a part of the school. Here, students learn about information technologies and chemical systems at the molecular level. The center works with the latest cutting-edge research and offers educational programs for bachelor's and master's students. The center's educational motto is Education Through Science, which means that educational process and the center's research projects are closely bounded. The center trains interdisciplinary specialists with skills in experimental investigation who understand the complex paradigms of chemistry and biology and can develop modeling as well as predictive systems. At the school, we also have the International Research Laboratory, adaptive and nonlinear control systems. The head of this lab is Dr. Alexey Bortsov, and the co-head is Professor Romeo Craig from the Mexico Autonomous Institute of Technology. This lab is adapted for students' activities and their research. Here they can attend lectures and seminars held by world-renowned professors, participate in group projects, and conduct practice-oriented research using the high-tech facilities of the lab. Our school is not only about science. We have started to focus more on the corporate master's degree format. An education program of this type implies co-development of the curriculum with one of its most industrial partners. The main advantage of such program is an opportunity to work on a real project while being guided by an expert from the industry. Getting a job offer during your studies is now much more likely. For instance, at the Faculty of Control Systems and Robotics, students can join teams that conduct research in the field of robotics in collaboration with Sberbank, the largest Russian banking and financial services company. The company has branches in 18 countries, including Switzerland, the United States, and the United Kingdom. One of the main values of Itmo University is being international. We always support our students when they want to acquire international experience. During their studies, they can join an exchange semester, take internships abroad, participate in short-term programs, and attend international conferences and contests. Our main academic partners are Aalto University in Finland, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany, National University of Singapore in Singapore, and Harvard University in the United States. A graduate who has enjoyed everything Itmo has to offer shares such Itmo values as creativity and open-mindedness. They are reliable and motivated. The person is free in the broadest sense of the word, because only a truly free person can imagine something impossible and make it real. If you have any questions about the School of Computer Technologies and Control, write us an email.
Excellent.